Magandang umaga po. How may I help you, sir?
Gusto ko sana magpadala ng kwarta.
Si Ma'am Cheche po yan. Wait lang po, sir.
Okay.
Sir, good news po. Libre na po si Ma'am Cheche.
Yes!
Good morning! I am your ever-friendly, always helpful, eternally cooperative remittance and loan officer. By the way, my name is Maria Rita Santa Catalina, Tintinabulita, Boreche Idimagiba, at Tatlong Hari. Cheche Boreche for short.
Good
I know! Gusto mo magpadala ng kwarta? But first, it's my obligation to engage you in the dissemination of the latest information of the proper protocol, laws and regulation regarding the financial and monetary transmission, because without the laws and regulation, chaos and confusion will be the state of the nation. Do you understand the situation?
So ano
Para magpadala ng kwarta, itong kailangan. Valid IDs for driver's license.
Ha? Meron ako niyan!
Wow, very good. Yan ang gusto naming customer, may valid IDs. But just so you know, hindi lamang driver's license ang tinatanggap namin. We also accept passport, India clearance, police clearance, GSIS e-card, voter's ID, senior citizen ID, SSS ID, 5W ID. Furthermore, the sender shall pay the charges of the remittance. The rates are published in all the remittance centers and they change without prior notice. Any question?
Wala bang mas madali?
Mag-Emily Villar, kwarta padala ka doon. Muna ng chichiburichi. Madaling puntahan, madali ang forms.
Madali dito!